Hi guys, this is Raymond from Tesla Offer and MTech. Today we will talk more about a new feature that in all our foot sensor, including Model S, Model X, the Model 3 and Model Y extra safety foot sensor. So let me talk about the program. So for the foot sensor, often people find that the foot sensor can be activated during the car wash. So it is quite annoying if they have the car key with them and then they wash it, and because they have the key fob or the phone key with them, when they do the car wash, the foot sensor can be activated and then go up, which is quite annoying. So let me show you what the problem is right now. So now we are trying to do a car wash. Yeah, you see? So this is quite easy to trigger when you do the car wash. So yeah, this problem is quite annoying if you keep the car key fob or phone key with you, unless you're sitting inside the car and you lock the car. Otherwise, the foot sensor can be activated. So we come up with a new solution. So when you do the car wash, you can use our emergency flashlight to disable the foot sensor. So let's try to look at it. Okay, so now we have turned on the emergency flashlight. So let's try to trigger the foot sensor. So as you can see, the foot sensor is deactivated. So let me try to also use the car wash trick again. Okay, so I'm doing the same experiment. So you can see now with the emergency flashlight turned on, we don't have any issue with the car wash.